Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Club. Today's going to be our third episode and our second episode actually doing problems. So today we're going to be looking at the print statement and the ln part. So let's first create our class. So we can go into src, go to default package, and right click on that. And once it loads, once the beach ball loads, okay, then you go to class, and we will name it ln or no ln. And I'll add the public static void main, and let's finish. I won't add as many edits on this video. I'll probably just put an edit with the problem. So as you can see, here's the problem. Use the print command to output the following. Hi, my name is name. I hope to learn a lot in Coding Club. Output this with 3 print commands, 1 for each sentence. Know when and when not to use ln after system.out.print. So let's do this. So we need to use 3 lines with 3 print statements. So let's do it 3 times. So a good trick is that you could actually quickly do system.out.print ln and then parentheses and the semicolon by just typing sysout sysout and then doing control space. And you can see there we have created a print statement. Let's do it 2 more times. Sysout control space. Sysout control space. Okay, so we have 3 right here. So the first one, we have to say hi exclamation mark. So let's just quickly write that. Hi exclamation mark. So that is it. But the next sentence says my name is name. So basically ln, it adds another line. So if I just say bye, then when I use ln, I don't need a space here. But when I use ln, when I run the program, and this thing runs, oh, that did not happen before, okay. When this runs, you can see it moves to the next line to say bye. But if I do not have an ln, right, if I don't have an ln on this top one, then I run, and it says hi bye, hi bye, and there is no line. Right? It just stays on the same line, and there is no space because I did not put a space here, I did not put a space here. Oops, just made a mistake there. So whether I put a space here or here, it's the same thing. I'll delete that because if I put a space there, then there'll be 2 spaces. So let's run that, and you can see hi bye. So that's how you do the first one, and then the second is my name is blank. So let's actually do that here. So let's say my name is Coding Club. That's my name. My name is Coding Club. Did you know that? That's actually my name in real life, Coding Club. Okay, so when we run this, it will say, hi, my name is Coding Club, and that's exactly how it is in the example. And then we have one more line, and in this one we say, I hope to learn a lot in Coding Club. So let's put some quotes and say, I hope to learn a lot in coding. And I am extremely sorry about this keyboard. It's too close to my mic. It's even closer than my mouth is. Okay, and then we run this. And as you can see, I did not change the lns. I let them stay there. That's exactly how it is in the example. And if I take away this ln, the second one, what happens is not very lovely. You can see it's all in one line and it does not look great. If I put a space here, then it will look fine, but we want it on 2 lines, not 1. So let's delete that space and let us add this ln back. And you might be thinking, well, what would happen if we took out the ln right here? So as you can see, this is what happens when we have 2 ln's right here. It looks just like what the example asks for, and that is the end of a program. But if we take out the ln here, think about what's going to happen. Give you a sec. So let's go and look at this. It's the exact same thing. Well, basically, what it did, you might not be able to see it, but it basically just meant that they did not add a new line here. The program stops right here. You can see I can't drag here. So that's the end of the program. But if I add an ln, then you can see that I can actually drag. You see, I'm able to drag, and then the cursor ends right here instead of right here. So that's basically what an ln does if you don't have any print statements after the last one. So that is how you do problem number 2 in print statements for the beginner problems. As always, the problems are in the description. If you want to get the download links, go to the first video in the playlist and the first video on this channel, actually. And I will try to make more videos really soon. But thank you guys all for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you want to. And I will see you all later. Bye!